There are 6 AI bots placing trades 24/7 while the users are sleeping. And the most exciting part is 99% of traders don't even know it exists. No charts to watch, no emotions to fight, no 3 a.m. panic exits, just bots running in the background, making moves while you're just living your normal life. So in this video, I'll show you all 6 AI bots, how they work, how to set them up, and also I will show you which one of these bots is actually outperforming the rest. And all of these bots are built in the BloFin platform. To sign up, you can find the link in description. I'm also a partner of BloFin, so you get additional bonuses, and the sign up process is really simple. You can sign up using Google or Apple accounts or just simple email. So once you're there, you can open the dashboard. First up, of course, we have to add some funds to our account. To do that is really simple. Just click button deposit, select deposit crypto or buy crypto. Buy crypto is basically if you never use crypto, you can buy crypto using card or bank transfer. If you use crypto, just click deposit crypto. Select what currency do you want to add. So USDT, USDC, select what network and just add crypto to your wallet. So right now in this account, we have $735. Actually, you don't need that much to start trading using these bots. You can do it with way less. And to find these bots, hover on Futures and Trading Bots. Click on it. This will open our Trading Bot dashboard. And what's really cool with BloFin, they even have AI to match you with the best bot. So first look and see, match me with the right bot. Click this, try the easy mode. Select what kind of currency do you want to trade. So let's go with the biggest one, BTC. And then select which market direction would you like to focus on. So for example, if the market is really bullish, I recommend you going bullish. If the market is really bearish and people are dumping, click bearish. If the market is volatile, which is right now when it's going up and down, click volatile. So for example, if you think the market is bullish, click on bullish, get my match, and BloFin will automatically match you with the best bot. So you can see right now the best bot for bullish market is called Futures Grid. Right here you can also see the leverage, and what's really cool, they have back-tested APR, which is actually a really crazy number. And on the right, we also have suggested trading period. And if you want to start trading, just click start now. This will open our charts. And on the right, you can see our bot. We got all the same information, just input the investment amount and create buy. And this is how the bot works. But before we start our bot, let's talk about all the different bots. Because as I mentioned in the beginning, there is not one bot, there's actually lots of different bots. And you have to select what's best for your trading, what's best for your budget, and what's best for the market we are in right now. So you can see we have Futures Grid, we have Futures DCA, we have Spot Grid, we have Spot DCA, we have Signal Bot, and we have TWAP. So I think the natural question is, what does it all mean? And actually, I even created this presentation with AI to explain you what each of these bots and what each of these names mean and how to actually use them to your advantage. Also, if you go back to BloFin, if you scroll down, we have some other AI bots. Again, you can refresh it and get some new badge. But we have BTC, SUI, Ethereum. You can again see the back-tested APRs. You can see profit per grids. You can see the grid quantity. But if you're just planning to start trading with this AI, of course, maybe some of these words mean nothing. That's why let's go back to basics to understand what all of these words mean, what all of these techniques mean, and then we're gonna start trading. So the first one is called Futures Grid. And it's first because it's actually one of the most popular, if not the most popular trading bots, especially on BloFin. But if you want to understand how it works and what it is best for, let's again jump into presentation because I have both of these things. So how it works. You set up upper and lower price boundaries plus the number of grid levels. So if you go back, you can see we had some other future grids. And you can see right here, we have the grid levels. Then the bot auto places buy orders below the current price and sell orders above. So every fill triggers an opposite order, capturing the spread on each cycle. And it uses leverage on perpetual futures, so capital efficiency is high. And what is it best for? So it's best for choppy, high volatility markets with no clear trend, which is kind of right now. It's up and down, and we don't know what's next. Next up, it's good for trading pairs that are really stuck in this defined range, which is again Bitcoin right now because it's moving up and down in this price range. And it's good for traders who want passive income from sideways action. And I think right now, this could be one of the best options, but don't click off. So if you go back and if you want to start trading Futures Grid, you can click on Futures Grid. Right here, you can actually select what kind of token do you want to trade using this bot. So as I mentioned in the beginning, right now, I think let's go daily chart. Right now, you can see the Bitcoin chart is moving sideways. It's choppy, and you can see from our explainer, it kind of really fits our bot. So let's go back. So right here, you can select buy, sell, or neutral, basically long, short, or neutral. And if you click on the buttons, you get different bots. So for the buy, we have bullish trend, moderate. You again see the leverage, which is 5x for this one and 10x for this one. And again, if you go with a higher leverage, you make more, but also risk more. And again, we get back-tested APR, which is again, really crazy number. You can get profit per grid and grid quantity. So for this option, we have 19 grids. And for this option, we have 14 grids. And if you want to go even harder, we have 15x leverage, which gets even crazier back-tested APR, and we get 9 grids. But if you actually want to dial it in, you can again select buy, sell, or neutral. We also have manual option. So if you click manual, you can actually create your own system. You can manually select the price range. With AI, the price range was set up for us automatically with AI. Next up, you can select the grid quantity. Again, we had it with AI mode, but you can input yourself. You can input your investment amount. And also, if you click this, you can select take profits and stop losses. I talked about it a lot of times. It's really important to have both of these. Take profits is where you take the profits, and stop loss is where you stop the losses. Basically, if the trade goes wrong, at what amount of loss do you want to stop the trade, which is kind of a safety mechanism. But again, if you're new, I would recommend you going with the AI strategy because it's easier and also you will make less mistakes. So for example, if I want to start with this one, just click create now. Now you can see all the 19 grids. All of these lines are the grids you selected. Select how much. So for example, $34, and let's create buy. So next window and confirm. And you can see our bot is started. I didn't set the take profit and stop loss, but this is how it actually works. Now let's get to the next bots. Next one is Futures DCA. So let's jump in back. Futures DCA. Bot opens an initial leverage position at your chosen size. If price moves against you, it adds more capital at deeper levels. Each safety order lowers or raises your average entry price. This is DCA, which means dollar cost averaging, and take profit moves with your average closer to current price after each add. And you can see what is it best for. So it's best for traders confident in eventual direction, but bad at timing entries. So if you think overall the market will go up, but you're really bad with finding when to buy, this is best for you. Next up is good for markets that dip hard but also recover, which is really common with crypto, and also great for recovering from a position that's underwater on a small initial entry. So again, this is really cool. I think this is more long-term play, but again, if you go back here, you can see Futures DCA. After that, we have Spot Grid, which is really similar to Futures Grid. So let's go back. Spot Grid is good for volatile and ranging markets. So how it works, pretty similar. So same logic as Futures Grid, but on spot. So there's no leverage and no liquidation. So it's really similar to what we talked about with futures. Because there's no leverage, you're also risking less, but making less. I don't really recommend going with this. Again, maybe just to test it out. But for me, this one's good. This one's good. And also we have the new one, which is Spot DCA, which is similar to Futures DCA, but again, without the leverage. Next up, we have Signal Bot, which is kind of interesting one. I can explain you how it all works. So first of all, Signal, it lets you connect external trading signals, for example, TradingView alerts, Discord, paid services, and let the bot execute them on BloFin instantly. It's a really interesting idea. So far, I couldn't find a way to make it profitable. So basically, again, I have explained what it's best for. So it's best for traders running TradingView strategies who wants hands-off execution. But I don't really recommend running this one on auto because you can make some mistakes and then you're going to lose some funds. So instead of that, I would recommend using my own service, which is called Signal Terminal, which is AI signals. Actually, you can check out the video explaining how it all works. But basically, last month, we made 360% profit and we had 51 signals. And actually, this month is even crazier. And if you want to actually test it out, it's free for 7 days. So yeah, do that instead of using this one because so far, I don't think it's good. And especially for beginners, I don't think it works. Next up, we have TWAP. So let's go back to our presentation. Time-weighted average price. And this is good for larger orders and low liquidity. So how it works, you specify total order size and duration. So for example, 10 Bitcoin over 60 minutes, which is a pretty big order. Bot breaks the order into equal slices and submits them into schedule. So, and basically, I think simply put this as example, So you need to dump 50 Ethereum, but the order book is thin. So basically, this allows you to sell. Again, I think this is not really relevant. So if you want to actually start using them and making these kind of crazy results, I recommend you going with a Futures Grid. If you want like crazy results and crazier risk. If you want smaller risk just to test it out, you can go to Spot Grid and also Futures DCA. I think these four are actually the best. If you want to actually learn how to trade and if you want to get great signals, you can use Signal Terminal. And one more thing I want to mention, if you plan to use BloFin, if you use my link in the description to sign up, first of all, you're getting deposit bonus. So right here, you can see all the deposit bonuses. So if you click the link, you'll see all these bonuses. Next up, they also have rewards. So depending on your location, you will get different rewards, but you can see $60, $30, $10. So lots of different rewards just for free, just for signing up. And you can actually use these funds on the trading bots to test it out. So guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.